So I disconnected this section of pipe that was feeding here. Let's see where that fire was starting there. So that was ripped completely out. In here, we disconnected things that seem to have some damage to them, like this wire here particularly, and some of the circuits I just turned them off. Alright. We also, electricity, fire, electricity was trying to burn out through here. So the ground clamp was redone. And basically a bunch of wires cut out and should be rewired. As well as probably there's an issue with the surface coming in. And we're going to suggest that just gets replaced as well.